ice cream center. Dairy Corn is
Dairy
ice cream.
Corn.
अरे और क्या और कैसे करूँ? This is ice cream center.
Okay. This is ice cream too.
This is ice cream.
So many
too.
shops. Oh, that is ice cream.
No, that's not ice cream. That's a cake shop, bakery.
I mean here in the fridge, no?
This is also cake shop, dessert shop,
Why are there so many dessert shop here?
and that's an ice cream
Like-
shop.
It's like you step one step and then you find another one.
Wherever you want to go, you just step in.
This one is ice cream.
This is again
Oh
ice
my
cream.
god.
That's again ice cream. That's very famous. Pretty
Why?
famous. That's the Jumbo King, a burger shop.
Why do you have so many ice cream shops?
This is my friend.
Here? Hi.
Where are you from?
I'm from Thailand.
China.
What is your name?
My name is Gauri.
Dori.
Gauri. Her name is Gauri.
Gauri.
Yes.
G.
What is her name?
With a G.
Yes, with the G.
G.
G A U-R-I.
Ah, Gauri.
Yes.
I am Mint.
What?
Mint.
Mint.
M.
Mint.
Oh, the herb.
Mint.
Yeah, that is my name.
Okay.
I know it sounds weird.
Let's step ahead.
Okay.
Bye.
Gauri.
She's just going to have, I guess she wants to have some ice cream.
Okay. Oh, that is Starbucks.
That's Starbucks.
Okay.
That's her management college. That's her management college.
in-
Khalsa Management College.
In the building?
Yeah.
Okay.
Again ice cream shop. But here you can make ice cream by your own. Whatever you want.
Wow, that's interesting.
Later we will try this also.
Okay.
Just first we have to just explore the area.
Oh, yogurt. Right?
Yeah. And this is stationery. And this is a food shop. I
Food
love
for foodies.
Yeah, yes, foodie. This is a printer.
Pani puri.
Yeah, pani puri.
What are they drinking?
That's a drink. We want to try.
No, I'm pretty full now. I can try it later.
That's a hall. For any function, you can just book this hall.
Okay. These are all students.
Yeah, all students go step into college. Lectures are going on. Come this way.
Wait, Don Bosco.
Don Bosco School.
We have that in Thailand.
Also in Thailand.
Don Bosco School. So many.
So many.
So many Don Bosco schools.
That's the church, Don Bosco Church, beside that.
Oh, that's so you have a lot of Christian here? Christian?
No, we have so many convent college and church also. This is a college, Khalsa.
Khalsa? Khalsa.
You can't step in.
Okay.
If you want, you can shoot from outside.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, you can see. This is Khalsa. This is my college.
Your college? Okay.
Yeah.
I have to turn off the camera now, no?
No, it's okay. You can shoot from outside.
Okay.
You can shoot from outside. If you want, just show them.
Yeah.
There are too many colleges in front there. If you want, I can show you.
Okay.
There's an engineering college. There's an engineering college
Huh.
there.
I'm aware that a lot of students study engineering, no?
Yeah.
A lot of you are good at science, right?
Yes.
A lot of Indians
Yeah.
and math.
Yeah. Everyone is very silent because everyone in their class. Everyone
Huh.
are studying.
I actually love camping.
You love camping?
Yeah, I go like almost every weekend with my parents.
You just posted some photos of camping in Instagram. I just saw it.
Yeah, I hike too.
Yeah. Where? In Thailand?
In Thailand, yeah. Very close to my hometown. Huh.
How many times you just camp?
For camping, I can't count. Like I cannot so many
plenty of
times. I started when I was young, like before I was even 10.
Before 10?
Yeah, my parents took me
You started with your parents?
every
and-
year. Huh?
With your parents and friends?
My friends too, and my cousins.
Yeah.
Wait, is this almost like the end of the semester?
Yeah, and
Oh, at the end. So when is the end of this semester? When?
this semester for standard 12, for the 12th grade, the end of the semester will be, I guess, between March and
March?
Between March or end of the March,
End of the March.
or everyone will have the end of the semester up to end of the April.
April.
Then May, मतलब the whole month May
Huh?
and half July there's a vacation. 1.5 month we have vacation.
Oh, you have vacation on July.
Yeah.
That's it? Only in July?
No, May and July.
May and July.
1.5 month.
Okay.
One whole month and half of the month.
May and July. So like in 1 year, you only have 2 months off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Only two.
I think that's the same.
In Thailand also it's same.
Yeah, but mine's like on,
And we
I
have
think July too.
weekly holiday we have on Sunday, and some students or some schools they provide at Saturday also.
Saturday. Well, you only have 1 day off.
Yeah, only Sunday. In whole week only 1 day of Sunday.
You have to study every day?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you study so hard. For me, I only like back in when I was in college, I only studied for like 3 or 4 days.
3 or 4 days.
Yeah, my timetable only
Very less,
3 or
you know.
4 days.
Yeah, we have to study whole of the week. Even on, if we have study session, we have to study on Sunday also.
Oh my gosh.
And now the exams are coming ahead, so we have to study whole of the week. Yes.
You don't have any day off now. So you need
That's a flower shop. It's a flower shop. Okay.
Are you waiting for your friends?
Yeah, they're coming.
Yeah? Oh, okay.
Wanna shoot this?
Game.
Again, that's a salon.
Hi, salon.
Salon.
Oh, this is chai, no?
Can I bring one small?
Huh?
Can I bring one for you, small one?
I can't even drink the small one now.
You just taste it. You just taste it.
You would
Let's,
drink the.
yeah.
You would drink the less.
So he's my friend. It's from Session Art.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
Thailand.
Thailand?
Huh.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Nivesh. Your?
Nivej.
Nivesh.
Nivesh.
N-I-V.
E-E-S-H.
E-S-H.
E-S-H. Oh, Nivej.
Nivej.
I am Mint. Mint. I know. My name is a food. Are you also in science?
No, I'm from arts.
Arts.
stream.
What kind of art?
From arts stream, you can do management, hotel management. One of these things you can go from this field. Means normally a business type, normal business.
Normal business.
Just like a managing something. And if you choose commerce, you means like to managing accountancy. If you want to do
Kind of
business,
bank.
just like a money. If you need money, then do commerce. If you want to make something, to create something, then take science.
So what do you want to do?
I want to become a lawyer.
A lawyer.
You want to study from law?
Yeah, so that's why I take arts.
It's pretty hard, no?
Yeah. Why it's hard? Because India's constitution, is second in the world.
Constitution of India,
Is second in the world.
second in the world. So it's very pretty much hard.
You
So
have
we
to
study
memorize everything.
Yeah. Something interesting to study, about our nation also. Let's step this.
Oh, let's go.
Let us show you our college.
Okay. Where is Neha?
She's coming.
Okay, I think we lost her. I think.
No. She was waiting for his friend. And she's
Okay.
coming now.
Okay.
It's a very famous, burritos, tacos,
Burrito from
Yes.
Mexican food.
Mexican food.
Hi, nice to meet you.
I'm good. What about you?
I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Alfia.
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 Yes.
I am Mint.
Yes, she told me about you.
Do you remember my channel?
Yeah.
You can give it to him.
What do you do, guys?
You remember my name?
Yeah. I just only share to everyone that she's on YouTube.
My real name too?
Yeah, Yasmin Suracha.
Thank you.
मेरा डाल क्या नाम है?
India is my first country to vlog.
Okay. That's study.
Thank you, Nivesh.
Come, just step away.
Oh, come.
Let's see.
God.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Do you like it? Do you like?
Yes, everyone.
Is it okay to record so much thing? You will edit easily?
I can do it.
You come this way. College के बाद बुलाना सबको.
we're walking back to the same place.
Stairs.
How many years do you have to be in college?
For 12th grade last, for our degrees and graduation, we have to study. It depends.
It depends on what you're studying.
Like this is a university. If we want, then we can study here.
Yeah, it's a university. But we are just only for 12th, only for high school.
For high school.
Well, you're still in high school?
Yeah. We all, yeah, 12th grade, we all are in 12th grade.
Oh, so college is not high school, it's high school. It's high school.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought college is university. It's not.
It's university.
This is Jumka.
Yes, dear Jumka. Tomorrow, today we have to go, Juhu.
Juhu Beach.
Yes, Juhu Beach. We are going there, Juhu Beach.
Oh, you're going there
Did you,
tomorrow.
no, today.
Today?
Yeah. Did you try Juhu Beach? Have you went
No,
any-
not yet, not yet.
Today you will.
Okay.
Yeah.
I haven't gone to the beach yet. Ever since I came here.
They're just subscribing your channel.
Thank you.
He's searching your name.
You don't have any foreigners walking around here?
Sometimes, not
Sometimes.
every day. Sometimes they come and vlog here.
Have you seen any Thai people?
No, not yet. You are the first Thai people we are meeting.
Here?
Actually,
Oh my god.
now we had made plan to after graduation we will make sure we will visit Thailand.
Oh, you have to. Please.
I would love to keep it.
Please. Check first. It's good.
Too much sunlight.
It's so bright. Oh, this is your student card, no? Can I see?
Yes, but my face is looking too ugly.
This is you? This is your full name?
Yes.
तो एक काम
You have such a long name.
हेलो ए आ रहे जल्दी इधर जाने का है तू आ वो डायरेक्ट स्टेशन पे आएगी किंग सर्कल से जाएंगे ना
Are they students? Like school students? The school.
कॉलेज की इधर
So they're younger than you?
बस younger
These are like middle school.
चले आजा
I love the uniform. It's so
that's-
cute.
This one?
Yeah.
This is a uniform of Andhra school. Andhra education.
Andhra?
Yes, Andhra education.
Under
There's a
education.
school nearby.
Very near. Actually, there are there are so much schools, college, universities near this area.
Okay. I get it why. So almost like every students are here.
Yes, yes.
मेरे पीछे पड़ी थी
I love how they braid their hair.
Yeah.
You have to do that too.
Yes, for girls we have to braid the hair.
That
And for
is-
boys we should take a short hair. Just cut that hair.
That is, it's like the cutest thing I've seen.
Have you tried any time the braid?
Huh? Braid?
Yeah, braiding. Have you tried yet?
I'm so bad at braiding. I can't do it.
No. We'll just make sure that you'll do it.
My mom did it for me
That's
when
a
I was
Starbucks.
Starbucks. My mom did it for me when I was young.
When you were in school.
Yeah, my mom did it. I couldn't do it myself.
Yeah, मुझे ही माना
Oh, you're looking so pretty in sari.
Thank you. That was a Tum Kya Mile song. What's your name?
Manasvi.
Manasweet.
Yes. Atumila.
That is a long. Nice to meet you. I am Mint Putina. I will tell everyone.
No, Mint. We are just making fun of your own name.
I am.
Yeah.
How many hours do you have to study? Like if you're that young.
It's different in school.
Huh.
Every school have different timings. In my school, it was when I was in grade kindergarten.
Huh.
It was like 3 to 4 hours.
3 to 4 hours every day.
Yes. Except Saturday and Sunday.
Hi. Priyanka.
Yeah.
Like Priyanka, the actress.
Yeah. Similar name.
Priyanka Chopra.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I am Mint. From Thailand.
Thailand. Oh, welcome to India.
Thank
Have
you
a nice
so
day.
much. I have it.
Are you
I have
enjoying India though?
I am very much because of you guys.
That's such a nice compliment.
No problem
Bye.
at all. Bye.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
इधर है.
What are you saying?
She's she's saying that don't talk so much because she's recording.
This is a very nice area.
Yeah, it's a quite.
Uh-huh. Yesterday was so chaotic.
Yesterday it was very crowded. No, today is Monday. Everyone just heading to college and school, so it's pretty much empty and all.
Everyone is working,
working.
studying.
Yesterday was weekend. No, everyone's a holiday. The family come here to visit and spend the time with them.
Uh-huh. This is Anna, no?
Yeah, she's Anna. She's still single, guys. She's still single.
Well, I can be your mom.
She can be your mom.
I'm 27.
Yes, she's 27. Come, chalo,
Huh?
come. Hey, इधर जाओ.
Her hair is so long.
Yeah.
I love your hair. You have so much hair. Can I touch it?
Yeah. Right.
Oh my god. So much hair.
Do you have any worship place in Thailand?
Yeah, a lot.
A lot.
We actually have a lot of Hindu temple in Thailand. You don't have more classes today?
We have, but it's at 7 o'clock.
Oh,
So
7
we have
o'clock.
to step to home.
Uh-huh.
We have to take the books required.
Okay.
Then we have to step to our
Okay.
class.
Okay. Can I use the washroom?
You want to go?
Is this like public washroom?
Yeah, probably. It's very dirty. Just
Do you have any
it's
more?
not hygienic.
Do you have any more washroom?
Yeah.
Okay. I will use
Is it urgent?
it. Not really. I can.
Do you have Subway? Subway in Thailand?
We do, but only in Bangkok. Oh, this is school bus.
This school bus.
Ah, yellow.
If you come again in India, you just stay in contact with us. We'll make sure to visit more places.
Thank you so much.
We just met up very lately, so we can't just show you so much place. But later, if you come, we'll make sure to visit you all the places as much as possible.
Thank you.